Gundrem Servo Kamrimo, Tasidile Namaskar. Go along strong away, Kuitandong Lorumfat, Celebration Committee Lomanda, Go Renjong Mutanchi Mom Kermomsa Gunchap Gandong, Lomanda, strong sa, Topi Areka, then no knowledge series, Areka go, some sort of Pushong Gabi Dingi, Gundrem go, Soza Glonbo Nung. Gun tenjen nung song gunrem go samsa balong dadosa go samsa arin go migdumi ka thombat pa. Respected chief guest, special guests, esteemed dignitaries, scholars, elders of our community, invited guests, dear participants, students and friends, warm greetings to each one of you. Kamnibo. It is with immense honor and joy that I stand before you today as General Secretary of Renjong Mutanchi Ringmom Konmom to extend a heartfelt welcome to this meaningful gathering. So, on behalf of the organizing committee of Tendong Knowledge Series, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our today's chief guest, Sriman Narbadur Dhal sir, who is also the chairman of Tendong Lorumfat Celebration Committee 2025. Similarly, we have with us Ren Pichu Namgyal Lepcha, Honorable Minister Forest, and also the president of this year's Tendong Lorumfat Celebration Committee, whom I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome. I would also like to welcome Ren Kunganima Lepcha, Honorable Advisor to CM, who is also the patron of Tendong Lorumfat Celebration Committee 25, and also Ren Dile Namgyal Bathungpa, Honorable MLA Gyantok, who is also the patron of the Celebration Committee. I would also like to welcome our former ministers, deputy speaker, and former MLAs in today's program. So today, in today's program, we have special invitees from ITS, Institute for Transforming Sikkim, Madam Namrata Thapa, Madam Ganga Pradhan, Ren Neeraj Adhikari, Ren James Sarin Lepcha, Ren Paulin Paju, Joint Director Planning. And also we have special invitees, Ren Jordan Lepcha Padmasari from Lingdong, North Sikkim, special guest, Professor Praveen Mishra, SOD Law Department, Sikkim University, Professor Vinu Pant, Department of History, Sikkim University, Mr. Choten Lepcha, founder, member RMIT, and principal PNG Senior Secondary School, and Mrs. Kesang Rinjing Lachungpa, a social worker from Jantok, Dr. Jingmi Ongchuk and three other Kembos from Denjong Seda, Dr. Salam Yangchen, Assistant Professor Law, Sikkim University, Ms. Denkila Butte, Assistant Professor Law, Sikkim University, members of All Sikkim Contractor Association, and we have special guests from Kalimpong, Mr. Gidan Namcho, XIS, and also Rongring Lepcha Cultural Welfare Society, Kalimpong, Mr. S.T. Sitling, ex-IFS, RCWS, Kalimpong, and we have special guests as retired officers from Government of Sikkim, and also the awardees and the recipient of felicitations. And I would also like to welcome our former presidents of Renjong Mutanchi Rong Tarjum and members of RMRK, led by its president Ren Uti Lepcha, Ren Chongnorbu Lepcha, and members of SLW led by its president Ren Ongden Singh Lepcha and advisor Ren Chiten Lepcha, and also who is also the coordinator of Tendong Knowledge Series 4 and his entire team. And also I would like to welcome all our Rong officials, retired Rong officials, civil societies, teachers and students from different schools and colleges. We are here today united under the sacred spirit of Tendong Lorumfat to celebrate not just a festival, but to share our cultural identity, our ancestral wisdom, and the resilience of our people. Tendong Lorumfat is not merely a ritualistic observance, but a spiritual, cultural, and ecological remembrance, a time when our ancestors sought refuge atop Tendong Hill during great deluge. It is in this sacred context that we host the Indigenous Knowledge Series to honor and revive the collective memory and scholarship of the Lepcha community. This platform brings together scholars, researchers, cultural practitioners, and youth who are working persistently to preserve and promote the rich oral traditions, language, literature, spirituality, and indigenous ecological knowledge of the Lepcha people. Through research presentations, thesis sharing, and cultural discourse, this program serves as a bridge connecting the past to the present and guiding us into the future. We are truly blessed today to have in our midst eminent personalities and pioneers who have contributed immensely to the overall development and recognition of the Lepcha community, both in academic and social cultural spheres. To all the scholars and presenters, we look forward to your intellectual offerings and creative insights. Each presentation today contributes to the living archive of Lepcha knowledge, an archive that we must notice, protect, and pass on. To the students and young participants, you are the torch bearers of our culture. May today's ignite in you a deeper appreciation and a sense of responsibility towards your roots. Once again, on behalf of the Temdong Lodum Facilitation Committee 2025, I extend my warmest welcome to each one of you present here. May this program be fruitful, thought-provoking, and spiritually enriching for all. Thank you, Khabrimo Achule.